Step 1. Open your phone settings and turn on airplane mode. Step 2. When the product works normally, please use the smartphone to search and connect to Wi-Fi Pro_XXXX. And then it will automatically jump to this interface. Select English as the language. Step 3. Click Repeater Mode setting to search Wi-Fi signal. Step 4. Select the router signal you want to expand. If it is a hidden network, you need to add it manually. Please select 5G Wi-Fi first. Step 5. Enter your router connection password and then click Next. If you don't want the same name as your router, please input the new name. Click Finish button. Please confirm the extender's password is the same as your router's. Step 6. Wait for 30 seconds. The Wi-Fi extender will restart and then connect to the extended Wi-Fi signal to access the Internet. Step 7. Finally, select the Wi-Fi with EXT that has been extended to connect and then complete the settings. Please confirm the extender's password is the same as your router's.